Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today on the occasion of Roger festival, my mother is going to cook podo pita. So let's get started. So here to make this white batter, we have added 1 cup of rice powder, half cup of white gram, which is also known as urad dal, and little water. So now you can see the consistency. According to that you have to add water. And for the sweetness, she is adding jaggery. How much sweet you want, you can add that much jaggery. First add little, then taste it. According to that balance it. We have taken half cup of jaggery, but according to your taste you can add it. After adding jaggery to the white batter, you can see the consistency. Now add some pieces of coconuts, which will give a little crunchy flavor to our pita. Coconut will give a great flavor. It will give little nutty and slightly sweet, woody, and with a hint of vanilla. Now add very little salt, a pinch of salt, and for the flavor add half teaspoon elaichi powder. Now we have taken a iron pan here, because usually the podo pita is made in iron pan only. If you are using non-stick pan, then maybe it will not come out so perfectly, so just try to use a iron pan. So now heat 2 big tablespoons of oil. As you can see in the screen, shake the pan so that each side of the pan will become oily and easily the podo pita will also come out. So now put the batter in the pan. Remember to place the flame lower, not high. As you can see, it is just like a cake. Now in just some minutes it will be ready. Now cover it for 20 or 15 minutes to make it brown. Let's see it after 20 minutes. Wow, it is just perfectly done. Watch the video as she is doing. Just slowly try to flip it. Don't be hurry, just take time and flip it. It will be very soft, so maybe it will break. So take your time and flip. So again cover it for 5 or 10 minutes and bake the other side. Let's see now. It is done. Now just carefully try to take it out from the pan. Now serve it in a plate. It will be very hot, so cool it down. Cool it in the room temperature, and when you feel like you can touch it, so then just cut it into slices and enjoy it. Really, I must say, it is the most unique sweet dish. The outer part is overbaked, so it will be little crispy, and from inside it will be very soft, and the coconut and elaichi will just give a great flavor to our pita. You can see it is very spongy, soft, and just tasty. We hope that you liked our video. Enjoy it with your family and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.